Hi my dear spirited minds, hope you all are doing great. Dear friends, we all want to be successful in our life, and for that purpose we'll be chasing our dreams and goals and we'll be working on them. But sometimes while working on our dreams, we will get distracted, and gradually because of that distraction our productivity will come down, and gradually because of that our success rate to come down and we will give up. And to avoid that, I'd like to share with you today a secret, a strategy, a method. By adopting that, implementing that, your productivity will increase, and by increasing your productivity, your success rate will increase, and gradually, very soon you will find yourself reaching your goals and dreams. Friends, today's method, what I'm sharing, is called Ivy Lee method. Ivy Lee method is not a new method, friends. This is more than 100 years old strategy, method. And this was proposed by Ivy Lee, the founder of Public Relations and Crisis Management Guru. And he is expert in handling the crisis situations. And before sharing this method with you, I'd like to share an incident which has transformed a company's life into successful. How it came out from a crisis to success, a successful position. Friends, in early 1900s, a company, very famous company called the Bethlehem Steel Company, was in crisis. And its president, Charles Schwab, wanted to bring the company out of crisis. For that purpose, he went and asked an advice from Senior Rockefeller. And Rockefeller Senior advised him, go and meet Ivy Lee, the public relations expert. So he will advise you something, and if you follow it, there is a possibility that you will come out of the crisis. And promptly, Charles Schwab went and met Ivy Lee and put the problem in front of him and asked him to improve the company's productivity and bring it out from crisis. And Charles Schwab also asked, what was your fee for that, to bringing it out of the crisis? For that, Lee said, I don't want anything right now, just I'll study your company's profile and I'll meet with the executives, and then after analyzing, I'll give you an advice. If you follow it for 3 months, if you follow it for 3 months, and if you find it is helpful, then whatever things remuneration, you can give it to me. That right now, no need to pay. So Charles Schwab also thought that this is very fair deal, and he asked. And before venturing into company, Lee asked Charles Schwab, what was your vision? What you want to see your company's future? How you want to see your company's future? Where you want to take the company? So he asked his dreams towards his company, and asked Charles Schwab to put it into the paper. And then take that. Lee met all the company's executives, and shared that. And also shared that in the company's growth lies our growth, and in our growth lies company's growth. It should be win-win situation. He instilled in the executives, and then he advised them to follow it. And he asked them to follow a method, and that was very successful method. And it proved to be successful. After 3 months, Charles Schwab very happy that the company is coming out of the crisis, and gradually, day by day, it's improving, and he happily gave $25,000 check to Lee. Now it is equivalent to $400,000, friends. Now coming to the strategy, what Lee advised Charles Schwab, it is very simple. All of you know that. Most of you know and might have implemented it too. But because of focus and execution, you will fail. Friends, while chasing our dreams, many of us will have many tasks in journaling and keeping what to do next day, and some of us will not make a note what we need to do next day, on next week. Like that, will not have a goal, clarity, plan of action. But some of us will have. But unfortunately, what we are doing is that the mistake we are doing is that more than what we can, we are adding into the task list. And some of the tasks some of the tasks are not at all useful for our future, and yet we are putting into that. Friends, if you want to see yourself very successful, please think carefully and objectively what you want to be in your life. how you want to enjoy your life, and think, and then try out, measure out what measures you need to do to improve your life success rate. Well, maybe in the studies or in career or business, whatever may be the goal. And for that purpose, you need to adopt this ideally method. This is very simple method. Just one day after analyzing your dream goal, a dream life, and what you need to do for that, just every day, night before going to bed, make it a point, just 6, not more than 6 tasks, friends, in the priority order, which will help you to improve your life, be it health, be it profession, be it studies, whatever relations, personal peace of mind, personal self improvement, whatever may be that. But it should be, you should be the center, because you are most important, and you are the pioneer of your life. You are the champion of your life. So you should be at the center, and whatever enhances, whatever works enhances, that should be given top priority, and then next task, important task, and then the next gradually least important task should be at the end, 6th task. Now the next day, just focus on the first most important task, priority task, and until the first one is finished, don't go for the next one. And then after second task, go for the third one. Gradually, like that, you complete it. Now friends, now you may think, what is it, this already we know that, but let me tell you, this is very simple strategy. Sometimes some of it, you try it out, you will find that in the middle of a week or after a week, many of you will not finish, or some of us will not finish some tasks, all tasks, and gradually you will find improving. And that is a challenging, you are challenging yourself, you are putting a task to yourself, so that you will be working, you have committed to yourself. Now this method, suppose on particular day, one particular day, if you fail to complete all the 6 tasks, postpone it to the next day by adding the remaining 3 or 2, whatever tasks. But see to it that not more than 6 tasks should be there. And very soon, after a week or 2, you will find that all the 6 tasks you will be completing it successfully. And not only that, friends, this every day, because you are planning it before going to bed. Every day, by the time you go to bed, you will feel a sense of achievement will come to you. You will feel it. Yes, today I have finished my task, and I am successful today. And gradually, inch by inch, I am going towards my goal. That will be a boost for you, friends. And next day, with reinforced energy, you will be chasing. You are ready to chase your next day's task. And not only that, friends, the beauty of this method is that it takes away a lot of dilly-dallying over decision making. Because of decision making is a very crucial thing for us, and a lot of us valuable time and strain, mental strain, it is taking out. Because you have clearly thought out what you want and what you want to do for that, you have a clear plan of action, and directly you are going into your action plan. And that enhances day by day your productivity, and very soon you will find yourself reaching towards your goals, inching towards your dream life. Friends, implement this very, very seriously, and you will find that gradually you will be improving day by day. And I wish you great luck and success in all your endeavors. This is Durga Irgunta signing off.